Here are the answers for day 3. Rewrite the expression as a single logarithm. In Algebra 2, this was called condensing the logarithm. So question A, we have the natural log of x plus the natural log of 2. This involves a sum of two different logarithms. It is equal to the natural log of x times 2. Instead of writing x times 2, it would certainly be better to write 2x. Question B, log base 4 of z minus log base 4 of 7. This time this can be rewritten as log base 4 of z divided by 7. So a sum of logs converts into a product, and a difference of logs converts into a quotient. Now question C, we have natural log, write that one time, and then put everything else into the argument on the natural log. So this becomes x to the third power, and then a plus sign changes into multiplication, and then this right here becomes y squared, and the subtraction sign involves a division, and then this part right here is z to the fourth. You certainly can put parentheses around all that if visually that helps you identify that this whole thing is the argument for that natural log. Next, evaluate the expression without a calculator. Log base 4 of 8. So you ask yourself, 4 to what power makes 8? But that's not a whole number power, so it's not as straightforward as that. We need to use some of the algebra skills that we've been practicing. So think of this in its exponential version. 4 to some unknown power makes 8. Now let's do some rewriting. The number 4 is the same thing as 2 squared. And so 4 to the x can be written as 2 to the 2x. 8 is 2 cubed. By writing both sides of the equation with the same base 2, visually we can see that the exponents would have to be equal to each other for this to be a true equation. That is, that the 2x has got to be equal to the 3. Now we can solve that equation and get x equals 3/2. So in the original problem, when we wanted to find the base 4 log of 8, it was 4 to the 3/2 power that makes 8.